Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to buy Telegram stars. So first of all you need to open your Telegram app, then tap here right top left corner of your screen. It's a three line here, and then scroll down, then you can see here the option settings. Simply tap on the settings and then scroll down, then you can see here my stars, so this one, and then tap here or buy stars. So you can see here like 100 stars you need to spend 1.96 dollar. If you want to get more, simply tap more option and you will see up to 10,000 stars how much it is. So once you tap here, then unfortunately this feature is not available in your app version, so you need to try another, because my app version is not okay, so you have to buy the premium package. So you can try on premium. So if you want to go Telegram premium, then you have to buy Telegram premium first, so then you can buy the stars. So today's no man, see you the next video.